ama sain si bai le ve ko hei last day and Father's Day main ka thlai lo ra ve te tlem kan han lowa kan han sherang che u. Okay, Lassie. Okay, all right. So we're gonna get this harvest this. We only have one. Yeah. Hey, pakhat chau kan nei bai te hey Uncle Rod te na kan kal don na kan keng don nya. Just chop it.
Have it.
Yeah.
Look at the stem like that. Okay.
Yeah, just chop it.
There we go.
Okay. Han, hey, our first harvest. Sorry to Papa.
Oh wow! Oh, look how big it is!
I know.
That big. Nice.
Wow, giant.
All right.
Yeah.
Put it with the rest of the stuff. Thai kan masala ra masaber hi chu tu po hian kan lom vekin karenga hei kan lom ve ni pakhat chu po ma se in the car we're bringing that to Uncle Rod. Hey, pepper bit there. Hey, Uncle Rod ka te na kan kal don na hei kan keng. Okay, just kan kat la oh lo ra ve hey. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I know. Chalut to kalom tira bite ha. Chan thala le la. Okay. Don't crack the stem. Okay. Okay. Pathum te lo ra ve. Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, we're gonna remember we get the piece. We make the let's go. Just bring the other ball with there. Okay. Ready to more. So we're gonna cut some the heavy there. Heng mai te te hi run te ne na kan phun tho kan ya an lo ra ve dia to maya lo om le mai and there's a big kind of a medium one right there. Where's your whole sunglass? That.
We got. I know, I'm such the gardener.
Don't sit right there. Okay, now I guess we're good.
Yeah?
I think that's it. Don't step on it. Thank you so much and God bless.